Hey everybody, okay, this is our last part of the experiment. This portion of the experiment is called the variable. It's what's going to actually change. Now this may take a little longer. One reason is because we are popping the popcorn in air. Now our last two portions of the experiment were done in coconut oil, Luana coconut oil, and Land O'Lakes salted butter. What we found out, of course, is the best medium for cooking, for popping popcorn is, in fact, oil. And coconut oil to be exact. So, and then with the butter, the first trial it went by pretty quickly, but as the butter began to heat up and expand and become thinner and thinner, it took longer and longer for the popcorn to pop. So in this case, in this time, with the air popped portion, it may take even longer because there is no conduit, as it were. There's no medium to help the kernels to actually heat up quicker. So, we're ready to go. Isaiah, you ready, buddy? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Ooh, it's really hot. The pot heats up really fast. The kernel may actually burn first before it even pops. As you can see right there, the top there has actually burned a little bit because there's no medium to coat the pot to help the heat to kind of increase and insulate the kernel. And we're rotating this, of course, so that the kernel gets evenly heated. The steam inside of it will begin to increase and then force the kernel to explode. And we call that popcorn. It's been a minute? Okay, so we're almost about ready. If you notice, folks, it's actually gotten bigger. Look, it's ready to go. It's going to go. It's going to go, folks. There it goes. What do we got, Isaiah?
1 minute and 13 seconds.
1 minute and 13 seconds. It actually wasn't that hot that I could grab it with my fingers. 1 minute and 13 seconds. Okay, here we go with the next one. Reset, Isaiah. Ready? Put your finger there. Set. Go. Okay. So remember, folks, we're going to notice the... I mean, you can really see it in real time. You're going to notice it begins to expand and get bigger, and then all of a sudden the seams, not really seam, but the shell itself, the kernel will begin to expand and then just explode. It really is remarkable. It's like a flower kind of opening. Look at that. Can we get it? If you notice right there, it's actually burned. Oh, I can see a little white portion. Look, it's turning all by itself. The heat inside is up. Did it pop? It popped. Oh, there it goes. All right, what do we got, Isaiah?
1 minute. 54 seconds.
Ooh, it's hot in there. It's really hot in there, folks.
That's why you need mittens.
You're probably right. I should have added that in our procedure list and our materials. Okay, here's the last one. 55 seconds, you said, right?
No, 54.
54 seconds. So, also the heat is probably rising inside there as well as expanding. So here we go. You ready? Reset. Set. Go. I'm not going to be able to. I should take a picture, but it's so hot. You can talk. No? Just Erica doesn't want to talk? Okay. Just Erica's camera shy. I got a dirty look, folks. Can you catch that? See that brown spot in there? Look how it's moving all by itself. The heat is causing the shell to move. Oh, that's it. That it popped. It popped. 46.
No, it was
40 what?
45, I think, or 40.
We'll go with 45. All right, folks. Well, that's our experiment. So 45 seconds is the last one. So if we notice, let's turn this off real quick so no one gets burned. Safety first. So the coconut oil, obviously by this information here, the coconut oil really is the best one. Now remember, our air popped is the variable. It's what's going to change. Both of these trials used a median of oil and butter. Both are a fat, which again, they expand, butter melts and gets thinner and thinner and thinner. With the oil, however, it does expand, but it retains its viscous material, its element, which allows the popcorn, if you notice, here it pops at 24, at 15, it just gets faster and faster because the oil retains the heat. And here we notice it happens as well, but it takes a little longer. Okay, look at the second one. It went to 33. It took longer for the second time because the butter is melting and it's losing the heat. And here the air popped takes longer, but as the heat increases within the pot, the metal itself, it gets shorter and shorter, but obviously much, much longer than the rest. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please hit that like button. We really appreciate it. Please leave comments and subscribe. Thanks a lot, folks. Bye.